Okay. Angel Wax, Heaven Sent Wicked Finish. Enigma AIO Ceramic Infused All-in-One Hybrid Compound. So, this is a, older car. Usually they just have the one-stage paint on them. So, let's do a test spot here and see what we look like. Start at 1. Alright, gonna lock it in, ramp it up. So I hit the chrome there a little bit too, just to see what it's, and as you can see from the pad, that is a one-stage paint. You're gonna get a lot of paint on your pad. And I've done a couple different older cars. Got my nice microfiber here. Wow, huge difference. Check that out, everybody. You can feel that nice. He prepped the car for me already, but check that color out. Then also the chrome, that even will polish that chrome too. So there's the process. Really simple. If I get in some more difficult areas, I'm going to shoot a couple more how-tos, but when you're dealing with an older one-stage paint, you pretty much just do an all-in-one polish. Try to do something with the sealant in it, like that. I brought a backup Manzurna 3-in-1, which will also had a nice wax in it as well, but I wanted to do a ceramic infused just so it'll last a little bit longer. But great results. More to come. So there were some little stains here. It almost looks like alcohol or something dropped on it. And then we polished it out. Just quick, couple passes, and they came out. So you can see the difference on a one-stage all-in-one with the ceramic infused protection on there. So hopefully this will last a while. More to come. All right, folks. So as you can see, this little spotting here we have, I'm able to polish most of that out here. It just kind of fades in, blends in. But as you can see, just a huge significant from just a single stage polish. As you can see, with the pad, it's coming through. But let's do a space here, and I'm going to show you the process. So I'm going to bring it down to 1. We'll do about a 2x2 section here. Get that polish in there. I'm going to lock it in, go up to about 4, 4.5. So I'm watching my pad here, trying to make sure that that's still spinning, keep that level. It gets tricky on curved surfaces. Keep that pad moving. Find that right spot. So see, it's even stalling right there. I think I'm gonna have to change the pad. But it really doesn't take much. And there we are. Look at the huge difference. Bring it a lot deeper, polishing that paint out from the fade here from the sun, and puts a little bit of ceramic protection on there. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Any questions, shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. All right, folks, here's a quick after video. So 1-stage polish, bringing the life back in the single stage paint. It was about a 4-hour polish on the car. Used a 3-inch DA with an orange pad and 5.5-inch DA. It's been repainted probably in the 60s or 70s, but definitely brought it back to life. Have a great day, everyone.